Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erenmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. The War of the Guinea Fowl and the Quail. In ancient times, Òsóné and Apáwo were Anjonu, powerful witches of the forest. Both were so strong in their witchcraft that the time came when they decided that one of them was unnecessary, and they started a war to the death. This conflict dragged in all their followers, causing blood to flow in torrents throughout the forest. At the same time, their sorcery was so potent that their offspring, eggs, were already born with witchcraft inside them, and their young were witches by birth. Since then, their eggs have been pure evil sorcery. The mortality was so great that Alákọ, the vulture, carried the news to Harun, the spiritual realm, but no one there wanted to descend to earth to end the war. Then Meyi, who had never come to earth before, asked for permission, committing himself to putting an end to the war. Olódùmarè granted him permission, telling him that he had to wait for the precise moment. That moment arrived when Alákọ warned that in the land of Dàṣà, the final battle was being prepared between the armies of Òsóné and Apáwo. When the armies stood face to face, with their respective kings, Dàṣà at the forefront, júànì Méjì descended from the heavens with the Jaya in his hand, shouting Àkùàno, crowned king, and landed in the middle of the two armies. Surprised and horrified, the armies froze as Àkùàno, in full battle stance, challenged Òsóné and Apáwo to a duel. They accepted and attacked him. With a single strike he struck down Apáwo just as he was about to bewitch him with his excrement. Then, with one final thrust, he skewered Òsóné, bringing the war to an end. The vassals of Òsóné and Apáwo became slaves and lifelong servants. With this, the war that had ravaged Dàṣà came to an end, and the epidemic and mass mortality ceased. Mawa Olafin made a crown from the heads of Apáwo and Òsóné, crowning Àkùàno as king of Dàṣà, known from that moment on as Àkùàno Odasumu Melu, crowned king, judge of Dàṣà, and son of God. Note: this is why Òsóné and Apáwo are powerful secrets of the crown of Ojuani, San Lázaro, and their feathers adorn the Jaya during the consecration dance. Ojuani, San Lázaro, descends to earth in Meyi to put an end to the epidemic that was devastating the world, a consequence of the war between the quail and the guinea fowl. This story speaks of the eggs of the guinea fowl, Itu or Òsóné, and those of the quail, Apáwo or Àkùàno. Júànì Méjì is Àkùàno in person, both in the land of Méjì and in the heavens.